Today I'm going to show you how to cook a really lovely meal called Scran. First of all, get 3 potatoes from somewhere. I'm afraid I've only got 1 potato. I thought I had more, but that will have to do. Second thing you got to do is wash the potato. Wash it in water, not paint thinners, not white spirit. It might explode. I have now washed the potato. I also had to scrub it to get all the mud off. Next thing you need to do is peel the potato. I have peeled the potato, although there's supposed to be about 3. If there's any minging bits like that, you can cut them out with a knife. When you're finished, chop it into cubes. I have cut the potato into cubes. At this point, you need to put them in a pan of hot water. Okay, I put them in a pan of hot water. For some reason, you're supposed to put salt in. I don't know why. I just got told that's what you do. Then you put the pan on a cooker like this. See how it's hot? That keeps the water in the pan really hot, so it cooks the potatoes. Also, get some rice like this and put that in. I don't know how much, just make it up. We're now going to leave that for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, you need to go and find an onion. I found an onion. It's a stupidly big one, but that's fine. I'm going to chop that up into little pieces. Don't chop up the brown skin. You don't want to eat that, it's not very nice. It's just the bits in the middle you want. Don't know how long that's been, but it's probably been about 10 minutes, so that's fine. So take the pan and you put it somewhere out of the way and just leave it. I don't know how to put it. I'll put it over here. There we are. Now get another pan. You want a really big pan this time. Oh, it's not clean. You put the pan on the cooker. Now you need to put some oil in it. It's quite important what oil you use. This is vegetable oil. Don't put in too much. That's probably too much. Don't use engine oil or gear oil. It's too expensive and it doesn't taste as nice. I put in too much oil. Never mind. Now get a pack of mince like this and you open it and you put the mince into the pan. There's always a bit of paper on the back. You have to take that off, don't eat that. Using one of these, you just break it up a bit. Don't go too mad. Next, you have to get the onions that you chopped up, or onion, and you're going to put it in there. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to have to hold the camera in my mouth. Hang on. Alright. I'll put the onions in there, like that. There we go. Now you will notice that mince has changed colour. It's gone from kind of pink to brown. That means it's working. Now I'll get one of these little square things. You can also get yellow and green ones of these. You don't want them, you want a red one. And you open that and there's like a brown powder inside and you break it up and you put it all in the food. I've now done that, but don't forget to give it a bit of a mix up. Now back to the pan. Looks a bit like that. There's far too much rice in there. Never mind. Also you need to find one of these things. This is quite clever, I'll show you what it does. By the sink. So what you need to do is get rid of the water that's in the pan, but you can see how it's all mixed in with the food. So what you do is you hold this over the sink and you put that in it and it stops it going in the sink. But I'm going to need 2 hands again, so hang on a minute. I have to hold it in my teeth again. Right. Alright. Then get some more hot water, like this. I'm going to do this. Like that. And just put it around. And put that in as well. Like that. There we go. And there's all the food. Back to the other pan, the onion and minces. You put this in there. Like that. It's all in there now. It's important to keep stirring it. And you do this for, well, however long you want it to be. Just until it looks like it's finished. I've decided to put another one of those squares in. And also, you can get pepper and put some of that in as well. I don't know why, I just figure it might help. It makes me feel like I know what I'm doing. The next bit is you get some grated cheese. Right, that much. And you mix that in as well. And I think maybe just a little bit of hot water. Not too much. Just to make it all a bit more sloppy. When that's all mixed up and nice, it's basically ready. So we can put some of this on a plate now. And there it is, ready. I'm sorry it's such a complicated meal to cook. It's about the most complicated meal I know. Now it might not look very appetizing, but I can assure you it's really tasty. It's very filling, and it's quite healthy because it's got 3 of your 5 a day in it. Cheese, onions and mince. It's no good if you're vegetarian or vegan. You can't have it unless you change the ingredients. Okay, well thanks for watching my cookery demonstration. Please leave a like, and actually I was going to say leave a comment, but don't do that. I'm going to turn the comments off actually, so you can't do that.